The All ADC Area Merchant Association, a non-political and non-religious organization, held its annual conference on Friday at its headquarters in Khumlung. During the session, the association reformed its central executive body for a new 3-year term and formally issued updated rules and regulations for its members. The newly formed executive body consists of 18 members with the following key appointments: President Krishna Pada Devarma, Secretary Dipu Devarma, and Treasurer Akhil Devarma.
Tini media person dia orang kai cover skepine. Norok jatuh na puila sini already se area merchant association hengai OBC. Ketamni hamjak ma tai cibai norok jatuh na ya paro. Norok jatuh na kana sini already se area merchant association tini first executive committee reform tai first annual general meeting tini khlai lakia. Senior general annual meeting o जों गोबां मा जों decision नाहाका ताई लाइ थांनाय previous रक जों खोनालायमोननि परे जों गोसोखांनि साम all ADC area बिसिङाव जत बानिया खाय तंनाय रकनो जों थानसाखाय तंनानि बानिया खाय तंनाय रकनि जों जालनो जों नायै बाहायके बरकनो जों kisah bermusang coba suklai mang kaisa tai kaisa tai aborokno kaham kai naikoliti sanani bagai जों tini decision nahaka tai market joto market chini ADC area je tongmani chini je rule tai law suijak tongma hai tai chini je constitution je tongma hai kino जों all ADC chini market je market no जों coverage खायनाय दिनै जरा जों दिनै all ADC area जों coverage खालायमान सुदियाखौ जेमन रम बे गन्दासरा आबो हाइरागो जों सगि मानियाखौ तामखाय दिनै already बेबाकनो contact दंगो जों आबो cover खायनाय ताबो ओ press meet नि बिसिंति किसिसा सानानि मोसं नांखाय ओ ADC area merchant association no membership engai ba kerenggai tamo nai ang kisisa highlight kanini musim mo kaya mo hai naidi sini jotoni no kaisa thinang tongo sini future जों bororokni kunu sikur koroi जों bufro tamo kebo saimiya rang puisa tongoi mano जों business podrepot khailai tongman kintu society by association by judino kerengui tongkai जों kaisa tai kaisa cobalai mano sudu abo rang puisa cobanene abo simi kok kesarmo buddhi joto nangmani जों kaisa tai kaisa cobalai samukai mano tamni bagai hingkai जों subamung kori hingkai जों individual rang puisa jasapana tongi tongdi individual by जों kuno dino business abo sikur ngimiya.
Reported by Malin from Khumlung, Chini Khorang.